Hello friends, welcome to SciTechno channel. Today we'll see about PowerPoint. So when you start PowerPoint, you can see one is a blank presentation and one more is template will be there. Template means what? Already designed format will be there. So here already prepared will be there. So which kind of design you want, you can take and you can put the edit. You can put whatever things you want. See, I'm taking one example here. Just I have selected this kind of template. So just you click here and already designed prepared will be there. So what happened here, just you can be write your name or your biography, whatever things you want you can write here. I'm just writing here computer. Okay, it's a good subject. So like this you want your content you can be write. Okay, and if you want to do blank presentation also you can do. Just go new and click one more new and take here blank presentation. So in blank presentation what happened, it will be the blank and everything should be you have to prepare design. So you can see here this is on blank one is there, you should be prepared. Okay, if you compare to there it is different. So first we'll write here, we'll check text design will check. So how to set text in for presentation. Okay, which kind of text size, and these are combinations will be see how you are doing in Word. Same you can also set here, but somewhat here animations will be there. Okay, transactions will be there, somewhat light different will be there, but even though this is very useful things for the student who are learning basic and who don't know the basic of PowerPoint presentation, they can see and they can learn easily. You can see here and you can say related Rahul Dravid has written. I want to set about this name. Cut copy paste is there. You can see here cut copy same. Select. We can use Control X or you can use here cut copy paste. Okay, that is normal how you are using the word. Same you can use Control C for copy and Control V for paste you can use. Okay, I pasted Rahul 2 times. I used copy paste. Okay, you can see here and related the fonts here is there and slides are there. Many kinds of slides will be there. So depend upon your slides you can be take. It is on blank slides with image slides. Okay, so slides also you can take here. Your many layout will be there. So design format we can say layout. So here you can see many kind of layout. You can see here this is layout means you can see slide design is called we can say layout. So that we can say layout. So you can see here font setting. So just I written name, which kind of font you want you can take. When you go there it will become automatic. So which you like you can set, and font size also you can set. Normal of how you are doing that same. Okay, so if you want to make increase the size, okay, you should be make attractive presentation in the text also, because who are the they should be look feel happy what we are preparing. See, I'm increasing some more Rahul David and I want to be see some more. So you can use shortcut key also. Control Shift greater than symbol for increasing the font size, and you can use shortcut key also. Control Shift less than symbol for decreasing the font size. You can use both. I am using shortcut key here. You can use both because up to there I think 96 will be the font size. When you want to more than that font size you have to use short tricks. You can set here. Okay, font style is there. You can choose font color also is there. Down you can see it. So somewhat setup you have to check font size and font styles for which looks good to your presentation. So it's mandatory to learn the basic. When you learn the basic, then only you can do the good presentation. You can see here bold, italic. Bold means what? You can be make bold. Italic means somewhat curved design will be there. Just took some underline. If you want to keep here underline means downline is Rahul Dravid. Downline that is called underline. You can be keep the underline. Okay, like titles you can use that one. Okay, for underline. If you don't want underline, just you select and click the same option underline you can use. And strike out. Strike out means see suppose Rahul Dravid is wrong number. Just I'll use the strike out. So it will be show like how you're writing in manual writing. Just to be strike out on pen or somewhat. Same you can use the strike out. Here you can see here like gap between the sentence. or back between the word, one word to another word, or one alphabet to another alphabet, you can set the gap. So if you want to be make multiple designs, you can use it. Say same name is, you want to be keep some one line gap, you can keep. If you want to more, you can keep. Okay, depend upon your content or your project, you have to be use the font styles. Font styles is very good because it will make you very attractive. You can change color also. Here I am changing the color. So if you want to change color also, because font should be very attractive for the project. It should be look like very beautiful, and who are the viewers are there, they should be feel very happy. Okay, they should be satisfied, and it will be attract. Color will be what, it will make attract to the customer, or it will make attract to the student. Okay, it looks very good. So you can see here, you can make label also, you can keep here. Okay, this is called alignment, left alignment, right alignment. Okay, center, justify. Okay, this we have to begin. See, alignment is very important, and you can see many kind of, all here text design will be there. So basically you should be learn text design and image setting. So you can see here text are there like horizontal, vertical, 90 degree, 30 degrees. So however you want, you can be set up. See, this is a 90-degree setup will be there. So already text design will be appear. Just which kind of text you want, you can be take it here. See this option, you can see here. So this is vertical position standing. Okay, if you want to be horizontal also, horizontal you can make. So if you make the somewhat design, what happened, it will look colorful, and it will be, attract to the viewers. So you can see here same designs are there, many are left, right, center. Okay, justify. You should be learn the text designing. It's very important. If you learn the text designing, it will be very good project. It will look like. See, we are setting. So only today in this video I am saying about how to set the text. So one more video link I kept down. You can be see how to be do the presentation also. You can be see with images, with text also. This is just for related text we are keeping. See, you can be so many kind of text to word art will be there. You can keep like this design word art. So when you select, many kind of word art will be there. So you can see the image. Okay, which kind of word art design is there, you can be keep. So you can see here many are there, Rahul Dravid, but there many kind of. If you want to change that, you can change, or if you want to be keep 3D style you can keep. Many kind of design will be there. So that is called here insert shapes. Any kind of shapes you want, you can put. You can take shape with come with color. If you don't want full color, then you have to be click on there and no outline. See, you can see here, just here is coming with blue color. So you don't want to be color of this one, and just go to here. You can see here outline is there, or this any. If you want to change you can color. So if you don't want also, you can be keep, and borders you can use. See here, no outline. If I click here, no outline, so outline will be go. And if you want to change color, you can change the color. See, outline is not there. So like this you can be set up that one. So related fonts, and this is also, it's good when you want to be somewhat like rating, somewhat offer, discount, that time whatever shapes you have to be take. Okay, this is the background of shape. This is, you can say, structures. So what are many things will be there. There is a structures, and if you want to be outline color also you can set. See, out we are keeping somewhat thing. You can keep outline color also you can change. See, line also you can be make already which size you want, you can be keep line. You can change it. So what happened, these shapes are mostly useful. This is the 3D views, you can see which kind of you want, you can make like shades. Okay, 3D views. See, in 3D views will be there. So like it will be if you want to set like which I said,